Hello everyone. Remember the Quickweave I installed about 2 weeks ago? Well, now it's time to take it down. I'm getting a new style. So this is just a video to show that a Quickweave can most certainly be protective. What I'm doing is just shampooing it off. But before I can even get my shampoo on, you can see that Quickweave just simply slides right on off. And you'll notice there's no glue or residue or anything that's left in my hair that I'll have to comb or get out or detangle. It just simply slides right on off. So don't be afraid of the glue. It can definitely be done to be protective. It's just really going to depend on the installation and also your takedown. So thanks for watching, and most certainly remember that all of our Quickweaves here at Poise Hair Boutique are done to be a protective style. Have a good day.